Physical contact takes place in the set firewood, matchbox, and the circuit clamp. That is the three examples is explained in the physical states. The physical states and the reactants. What are the reactants? What are the products are produced? So that next one. So in the activity do that. Take 2 test tubes, couple of the rest of this free and 9 nails Ani. So test tube. So for some water and burn the nail. So keep the test tube for a few days. Take it. Another test tube to pure some water as well. So but the sometime pure some coconut oil and above the water levels are completely immersed in this nail inside. So now place in the second nail and nail. So leave the setup for the few days. Observe the changes. What are the so what is the changes that takes place? Rusting takes place in this that water. So next one is the oil. See the rusting oil. So it is a less rusting takes place in this that oil. So water la vachha enna senjirum few days open area la vachha enna senjirum appadina rusting aayirukku. That is the physical chemical changes takes place in this iron. Next one is the chemical reactions based on solution of reactants. Based on solution of reactants. So do you like a coffee? How coffee is prepared? So as your mother does, when milk is mixed with coffee titrated, and the color of the milk and titration changes due to chemical reactions. Your mother adds enough sugar to make it tasty. So like this, when we mix the two substances in solution form, the chemical reaction takes place from the new substance. For example, take a small amount of solid silver nitrate and sodium chloride in a test tube. Do you observe any changes? No. The reactants in solid state have no reactions. No, the reactants in solid state have no reactions. Now you dissolve the same reactants in water in separate test tubes. Mix both solutions. What do you observe? Silver nitrate solution reacts with the sodium chloride solution to form white precipitate of silver chloride and silver nitrate solution. Form a foam. The above reactions we infer that some chemical reactions produce only solution. Form not in the solid form. So not in the solid form. So you have to take in that the chemical reaction. So take in this solid silver nitrate and sodium chloride. So you taking this as separate test tubes. So solid silver nitrate, no reactions takes place. So the reactants no solid state, there is no reactions takes place. So now you are mixing of this the solution silver nitrate and sodium chloride. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride is add up. So that is that goes to this form. So which is formed silver nitrate solution reacts with the sodium chloride solution. So make a solution to form the white precipitate silver chloride silver nitrate solution. Silver chloride silver nitrate solution. So foam means foam. So foam is absorbed. So this reaction is foam is absorbed. So first one AgNO3. So it is an aqueous solution, that is so NaCl. So the AgCl solid Na plus NaCO3 solution. So that is that no problem takes place in this that solid state. So for this further this solution of to making this a solution of this both chemicals to added. So both having this some reactions takes place. That is the chemical reactions takes place. The precipitate is white precipitate. That is white precipitate is formed. That is that white precipitate is formed. So that is that anions are changed. Anions are changed. Sorry, understand? I hope you are understanding. So next one, chemical reaction based on electricity. Chemical reaction based on electricity. Can we live without electricity? Absolutely not. Electricity is very essential for our living. We use electricity for cooking, lighting, grinding, watching TV, charging mobiles, laptops, computers, water heaters, etc. Do you know electricity can be used to carry out the chemical reactions? So do you know? Yes. By using electricity, many chemical reactions are done which are industrially very important. As know, water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. When electricity is passed through water containing small amount of sulfuric acid, hydrogen and oxygen gases are liberated. Similarly, a concentrated solution of sodium chloride. A concentration solution of sodium chloride, that is Brin, electrolyzed to produce the chlorine and hydrogen gases along with the sodium hydroxide. That is very important in this chlorine industry. That is very important in the chlorine industry. So from this above two reactions, we infer that some chemical reaction pursued only by the passage of electricity. Hence, such reactions is called electrochemical reactions or electrolysis. So, do you know that? So, electricity having to carry this chemical reaction. Electricity having this chemical reactions. Electricity is also type of this energy. Pure copper is extracted from this electricity. Purification of various methods rely on electricity. On industrial scale, production of chlorine is done by chemical reaction is associated by electricity. When electricity is passed through the mixture of water, sodium chloride, chlorine and hydrogen gases are produced. Electricity breaks the water when mixture of water plus sulfuric acid is subjected to electricity. Water breaks down O2 in hydrogases. Chemical reactions caused by electricity, that is called electrochemical reactions or electrolysis. So, are you understand? So, the water is electricity passed through this water, H plus and O minus, H plus and O2. That is produced separated, molecules are separated thus molecules. That is a Brin. Brin means electrolysis of this chlorine. Electrolysis of this chlorine. So, when the mixture of the water and sulfuric acid is subjected to this electricity. So, the term electrolysis first introduced by Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday in the 19th century. Electrolysis is a combination of electron plus lysis. Electron plus lysis. Lysis means it is separated or destroyed. So, electron is related to this electricity. Lysis means decomposition, that is destroyed, decomposition. So, next one, chemical reactions based on heat. As you know, food is very important for our daily life, for our survival and also many other living things. Have you closely watched your mother cooks food for you? See, boil rice, cooks vegetables and prepares the kolambu and rasam etc. by heating them over stove. When enough heating is given, some chemical reaction takes place to convert the raw food items into cooked ones. You can perform this reaction in your laboratory. Take small amount of lead nitrate. Take a small amount of lead nitrate in a dry test tube and heat it gently over a flame. Observe the changes closely so you will hear cracking sound. And evolution of reddish brown colored gas is produced. In industries, limestone rocks are heated to get the quicklime. Hence, some of these chemical reactions can be achieved by the supply of heat only. This reaction is